So I've been experimenting with AI video generation lately, and I managed to create something pretty cool. A full 60-second cinematic video with consistent characters throughout. And the best part, everything I used was completely free. I know what you're thinking. Aren't AI video tools only good for quick clips or those basic talking head videos? That's what I thought too until I figured out this workflow. Let me show you the final result first, and then I'll walk you through exactly how I made it.
A violent storm pounds an abandoned cabin. Lena clutches a flickering lantern. Evan, pale and shaking, whispers, "It's inside, with us." The door slams shut. Shadows stretch into claw shapes, reaching toward them. Lena grabs Evan's hand. His skin is ice cold. "Stay close," he murmurs. "It won't touch you if I'm here." A growl rumbles from the attic. Something heavy crawls toward the stairs. The lantern dies. Darkness swallows everything. Evan's grip tightens. "Follow my voice." Glowing red eyes appear in the stairwell. Lena's heart races, but Evan has none. The creature snarls, recognizing him. "It remembers you," she whispers. He nods. "I died because of it." The monster leaps. Evan steps in front of her, its claws passing through his fading ghost-like body. Evan glows with his last strength. "I stayed for you, but I can end this." He charges the creature. A burst of light shakes the cabin. The monster crumbles to ash. Evan stands, dimming like a dying embers. Lena feels one heartbeat, his, before he smiles and fades into peaceful light.
Pretty wild, right? Alright, let's break down the exact workflow so you can do the same. First, I needed a solid story. I opened ChatGPT and gave it this prompt. Create a 60-second short story with exactly 2 main characters. Keep the visuals consistent. Write it in simple cinematic language. Genre, horror with a layer of romance. High tension beginning, satisfying ending. Include a hook every 5 seconds. ChatGPT gave me a dark emotional story that was perfect for turning into video. Next step, I asked ChatGPT to turn that story into actual visual prompts. If you want to use the same prompt I mentioned in the video, I've added it in description, just copy it from there. Now, I had a clear shot list to work from. Here's where it gets interesting. I went to Grok's website and clicked the image icon to open the Imagine tab. In the bottom panel, I switched from video to image mode and set it to landscape 16:9. This is important for YouTube. I copied the first scene prompt from ChatGPT, pasted it into Grok, and it generated the image. Once I picked the best one, I clicked Make Video, and Grok animated it for me. Now, by default, Grok will keep auto-generating videos, but I wanted more control, so I turned that off. Just go to your profile icon, then Settings, and under Behavior, disable Enable Automatic Video Generation. This way, you decide when each scene gets made. Here's the part that makes this whole thing work, and honestly, most people don't know about this. To keep your characters looking the same from scene to scene, you need to use the last frame of your previous clip as a reference. Here's how. Pause your video at the very last frame. Right-click and copy that video frame. Paste it into the prompt box. Add your next scene description below it. Hit Generate. This keeps everything consistent, same character, same outfit, same visual style. Quick question for you, before I mention this, what did you think was the secret to extending AI videos without losing consistency? Let me know in the comments, and if you're finding this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps other creators discover this. I just kept repeating this process, grab the last frame, paste it in, add the next scene prompt, generate. One thing, after about 2 scenes, the prompt box might get disabled. Don't worry, that's normal. Just click on Imagine, then go to Favorites or History and keep generating from there. I did this for every single scene until I had the complete 60-second video. For the narration, I used Google AI Studio's text-to-speech feature. I selected single speaker mode and used the Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview TTS model for faster results. If your story text is too long, just ask ChatGPT to shorten it to exactly 60 seconds. Then paste it in, pick your narrator voice, and hit Run. Done. Final step, I dropped all my video clips and the voiceover into CapCut Pro. You could also use Canva's free version or any editor you're comfortable with. Just sync everything up, add some transitions, maybe do a bit of color grading, and you're done. So yeah, that's how I made a full cinematic AI video using only free tools, no paid subscriptions, no fancy software, just a solid workflow and a bit of patience. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to Chase Profit, drop a like if this was helpful, and share it with anyone who's into AI content creation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.